T.O. Collier will get the leg up. Second selection here, number 5, My Bird's Wired, coming to us from Suffolk Downs and well placed in all the outings there, among $4,500 claiming, and finishing third in a conditioned allowance race there as well. Owned and trained by Wendy Hetz, and the jockey is John Roquebrune to guide My Bird's Wired. And the third selection is the 2-5 Demon Bag, dropping in once again for the $7,500 tag. Has not seen a fast track since August of last summer and was claimed in that outing, but it was a very nice run on the fast track up at Penn National for the 5-year-old by Elusive Quality. So looking back to the fast track effort, seemingly makes 5 Demon Bag live in tonight's race. Edward Tejera will guide. Good price right now at 15-1. 1, 5, and 2. Don't forget the 8-horse. Old Lucky's been scratched out of it. Post time 10 minutes away for the 4th race. There is Exacta, Quinella, Trifecta, Superfecta wagering, Pick 3 wagering. The Pick 3 features the reduced takeout of 12% here at Sam Houston Race Park. Best of luck with your selections in tonight's 4th race.
Riders up!